Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be talking about the Galaxy Note 8 and the Google Pixel 2. I've been using both of these phones. I've had my Pixel 2 for about 2 weeks now. So I just wanted to give you guys a side-by-side comparison and what I like and dislike about each device, comparing the two together. So first off, I do think the Galaxy Note 8 is a much more premium feeling and looking device. The screen's bigger. I know you can get the Pixel 2 XL and you can get a bigger screen. So I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just, comparing the Pixel 2 to the Note 8, not the Pixel 2 XL to the Note 8. Another thing I dislike about the Pixel 2 is the fact that it looks like you're using a $50 prepaid phone. Like, honestly, in my opinion, that looks like a $50 phone you would get on Cricket or something like that. And I'm not saying that that's a bad thing. I'm not saying anything bad about, people that use $50 Cricket phones. I'm saying that I paid, $650, $700 for this phone, and I have a plastic back phone that, from the front and the back look like a cheap device. It doesn't run like a cheap device. It does have, very good specs processor and memory-wise. The phone runs very smooth. It is just a design, standpoint I don't like. I do wish that maybe the phone was either all metal on the back or all glass on the back and had wireless charging. That would be really nice, because the Pixel 2 and 2 XL do not have wireless charging, which I do think in 2018 or 2017 when the phone came out, that's something that even the iPhone came out with in 2017. So this is one of those last flagship devices that don't have wireless charging. And I even wouldn't mind if they didn't add wireless charging and they added like a aluminum back or something, kind of like the iPhone 7. But this is plastic right here and glass up here. This plastic down here, if you have a white one, does tend to attract colors. Like if you wear denim jeans, it will like turn a shade of blue over time. That is actually a disclaimer on the Google website, that may happen over time. The plastic is also prone to chipping, and chunks of it will chip out of it when you drop it or something like that. Now I know a glass back phone would shatter, and an aluminum back phone would probably get scratched up, but still the plastic, I feel, is a lot less durable than something like the aluminum maybe, or stainless steel, like if you have an iPhone 10. And I do feel that the stainless steel, or aluminum rather, and glass, they do look a lot more premium, especially for a $650, $700 device. I'm just not feeling the whole plastic backed design. You do have stereo speakers on the front, which is nice. Big chin on the top, or big bezels on the top and bottom. Side bezels aren't too bad. You do have an OLED display right there. So you do have an OLED display. The colors are pretty good. Brightness is pretty good. I can actually use this phone about half brightness to a little under half brightness and still see it very well, which does help on battery life. Battery life on the Pixel 2 has been amazing for me, even on the beta. And the phone charges so fast with the included USB-C to USB-C charger. I can get a full charge from like 5% to 100% in about 45 to 50 minutes with mixed usage. By mixed usage, I mean using the phone screen on while it's charging and having it screen off while it's charging as well. It'll charge in about 45 to 50 minutes, which is pretty nice to get a full charge in about an hour. Whereas the Note 8 takes about an hour and 20 to an hour and 30 minutes with the fast charger, and that would be the same fast charger that I use with the Pixel. The Pixel's actual OEM charger, I use to charge my Note 8 as well, just to see if it charges any faster, and it really doesn't. About an hour 20 to an hour 30 is the fastest the Note 8 will charge. Design-wise, I do like the fact that the Pixel 2 gets Android updates the minute they're released and is eligible for betas, obviously being a Google device. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is not. We're about a month behind on security patches, and we're still on 8.0, so no 8.1 and no 9.0 beta, or no Android P beta, which kind of sucks. I would really love to run the Android P beta on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. That would be something that's pretty cool. I'm assuming we will get a beta from Samsung eventually, but that's going to be after Android P is actually released on other devices, and that would be when Samsung is testing it, so it's going to kind of suck to have to take that long before we see any kind of updates to the Note 8. If we even do see an Android P update to the Note 8, that hasn't been confirmed or anything like that yet. With the Note 9 around the corner, we may not see another major update for the Note 8. Hopefully we do. I think we will, but like I said, it's not certain. So those are the things I like and dislike. I do love both of these phones. These are two of my main daily drivers right here. The Pixel 2 being probably one of my main ones because of the small size. I can slip it in my pocket easy. Camera is really good. Battery life is amazing. It charges quick, so if your battery does run down, you can top it off pretty quick before you have to head out the door if you're going somewhere. And then I love the Note 8 because of the large screen. It's really nice for watching YouTube videos and consuming media content. And then of course we do have the included S Pen for jotting down notes and stuff like that, and marking up pictures on the screen, which is mainly what I use it for. If I take a screenshot and I want to show somebody something, I can use the S Pen to mark it up. But those are my likes and dislikes about each device. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments section below, and I would definitely answer those. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click that subscribe button. We're almost to 4,000 subscribers, which is amazing. You guys are helping out tremendously. Help the channel grow, help get some better content on here, and more things to review, all that kind of stuff. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.